King Fu Printing Company is a very professional printing company in China for various types of books printing, such as hardcover and softcover book printing, catalog printing, magazine printing, children book printing, and all kind of paper box printing. King Fu have been in printing over decades and always commit to use 100% premium quality papers from the fine paper mill and non-toxic vegetable ink from Japan, environmental to the earth and friendly to children. We provided one-stop foreign trade service for overseas customers from United States, Europe, Canada, Australia, and other countries. In constant search for sustainability, all our machineries are rigorously selected and timely upgraded to cutting-edge technology for printing and packaging. We only consider those new advanced machines with impeccable quality that can provide a sustainable future, which are absolutely a wise choice for providing consistent quality to our clients. Adhering to high-quality printing with very reasonable price is not easy in the competitive global markets. But this is our choice and we are proud of it. We firmly believe that only quality is what we are proud of. We feel and think of what you think, and we will fully coordinate to achieve your wish for your needs. We try hard to get more and more customers' recognition and follow. This is our greater motivation. Quick response, smooth communication, fast delivery. We do what we promise, and we never let you down.
Hello everyone, warmly welcome to visit our factory. We look forward to have a long-term business cooperation with you. Get your book printed by us. We will never let you down. Thank you.